AI agents are revolutionizing the digital landscape, becoming a goldmine for entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on automation and innovation. From customer support chatbots to content creation assistants, AI-driven tools are transforming industries, making businesses more efficient and opening up new revenue streams for those who know how to leverage them. The demand for AI-powered solutions is skyrocketing, and right now is the perfect time to jump in and claim your share of this booming market. Whether you're an aspiring tech entrepreneur or someone looking for passive income opportunities, building AI agents can be your gateway to financial success. Many people assume that creating AI-powered tools requires complex coding skills or an advanced technical background, but that's far from the truth. With modern AI frameworks and automation platforms, you can build and deploy AI agents without writing a single line of code. The best part? These AI agents can work for you 24/7, generating income while you sleep. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can conceptualize, build, and sell an AI agent, turning it into a profitable business. Even if you're a complete beginner, get ready to discover one of the easiest ways to monetize AI and step into the future of automated income. Finding a profitable AI idea. The key to building a successful AI agent starts with identifying a high-demand problem that automation can solve. AI isn't just about chatbots or virtual assistants. It's about streamlining workflows, saving time, and enhancing productivity in ways most people haven't even imagined yet. By using AI to analyze business operations, content creation processes, or repetitive digital tasks, you can uncover hidden inefficiencies and turn them into profitable automation solutions. Imagine an AI tool that automates video editing, generates viral video scripts, or repurposes long-form content into engaging YouTube shorts. These are just a few ways AI is transforming the creator economy. The more time and effort your AI agent saves, the more valuable it becomes in the marketplace. Before diving into development, research existing AI agents and automation tools to find gaps in the market. What's missing? What could be done better? Look at AI-powered solutions in YouTube content creation, e-commerce, social media marketing, and beyond. Some of the most successful AI agents are built not from scratch, but by improving or combining existing tools in new ways. Whether it's an AI that writes highly engaging video titles, generates real-time analytics insights, or even automates thumbnail design, your goal is to create an agent that people can't afford to ignore. The AI revolution is happening fast. Your only job is to find a gap and fill it before someone else does. Planning your AI agent. Before jumping into development, it's crucial to map out exactly how your AI agent will function. Think of it as designing the blueprint of a powerful machine. Every step must be clear and intentional. Start by breaking down the workflow your AI will automate, identifying the inputs, processes, and expected outputs. Will your AI analyze data, generate content, or handle customer interactions? Understanding how each step connects will help you build a seamless system that delivers real value. The best AI agents don't just replicate human tasks. They optimize and enhance them, turning hours of work into minutes. Once you have a clear vision, document the entire process before writing a single line of code. Create a flowchart or a step-by-step breakdown of how users will interact with your AI. This is where you uncover hidden automation opportunities, features that could make your AI more efficient and user-friendly. Maybe your AI can learn from user behavior, integrate with other tools, or generate real-time insights. The more thought you put into the planning stage, the smoother the development process will be. Many AI startups fail because they jump into coding without a clear roadmap. But with a well-documented plan, your AI agent will be built for scalability, efficiency, and long-term success. Building the AI agent, live demo. Now comes the exciting part, bringing your AI agent to life. Imagine having a tool that can instantly extract insights from any YouTube video, saving hours of manual effort. The first step in building this agent is using an API to fetch video transcripts, which allows the AI to analyze raw content directly. Whether it's educational content, podcasts, or trending videos, this automation opens up endless possibilities. No more watching long videos just to find key takeaways. Your AI will do it for you in seconds. This process enhances efficiency, streamlines research, and makes content repurposing effortless, helping creators and marketers stay ahead of the competition. Once the transcript is extracted, we'll use OpenAI's GPT-4 to summarize the content intelligently, turning long-winded discussions into concise, actionable insights. But raw AI-generated summaries aren't enough. We'll fine-tune the output for better readability and usability. This means structuring key points clearly, removing unnecessary filler, and ensuring the summary is optimized for real-world applications. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media content, or research notes, this AI agent supercharges productivity and unlocks new monetization opportunities. The power of automation is not just in saving time, it's about transforming how we work, think, and create, deploying the AI agent. Once your AI agent is built, the next crucial step is deploying it for real-world use. Choosing the right platform can make all the difference. Whether you go for cloud-based solutions like AWS, Google Cloud, or specialized AI hosting services like Hugging Face, these platforms ensure that your AI runs efficiently, processes data quickly, and remains accessible to users at all times. A smooth deployment strategy minimizes errors, prevents downtime, and ensures that your AI agent delivers consistent and reliable performance. Plus, integrating APIs, webhooks, or even a chatbot interface can make your AI tool more accessible to different audiences, whether they're content creators, businesses, or researchers. But launching is just the beginning. Continuous improvement is key. As more users interact with your AI agent, you'll discover new ways to optimize its workflow, enhance its accuracy, and even add new features to expand its capabilities. Maybe you integrate voice recognition, multilingual support, or advanced analytics to make the AI even smarter. Regular updates, performance monitoring, and user feedback will keep your AI relevant and competitive in the fast-moving tech landscape. The goal is not just to build an AI agent, but to create a scalable, evolving product that can drive long-term success in the growing AI market. Monetizing your AI agent. Now that your AI agent is up and running, it's time to turn it into a revenue-generating machine. There are 3 powerful business models you can use. Subscription-based access, where users pay a monthly fee to use your AI tool. One-time purchases, ideal for downloadable software or lifetime licenses. And API-based pricing, where developers pay per usage. Choosing the right model depends on your target audience and the value your AI provides. If your tool automates a time-consuming task, a subscription model can ensure steady recurring income. If it's a niche product, a premium one-time price could work better. But even the best AI tool won't sell itself. You need the right marketing strategy. Leveraging platforms like Product Hunt, Gumroad, AI marketplaces, and LinkedIn can attract early adopters and businesses looking for automation solutions. Running targeted ads, showcasing demo videos, and offering free trials can help potential users experience the value of your AI firsthand. And don't underestimate affiliate marketing or partnerships with influencers in the AI space. A single recommendation from the right person can skyrocket your sales. By combining smart pricing with effective marketing, you can turn your AI agent into a profitable, scalable business in the booming AI industry. Scaling marketing, your AI business. Once your AI agent starts generating revenue, the next step is scaling it into a full-fledged business. The key to growth lies in automating customer acquisition, expanding your market reach, and continuously improving your AI tool. Start by refining your AI's capabilities based on user feedback, ensuring it remains valuable and competitive. Then explore new industries where your AI can provide automation solutions, whether in e-commerce, real estate, finance, or content creation. Expanding into different industries opens doors to new customer bases and higher revenue streams, allowing your AI business to thrive. Marketing plays a crucial role in scaling up. Leveraging SEO-driven content, targeted ads, and AI influencer partnerships can significantly increase your visibility. Email marketing and lead magnets, like HubSpot's free AI checklist, can attract businesses actively searching for automation solutions. Engaging with online communities, launching a referral program, and using AI-driven analytics to optimize your marketing strategy will help scale your business efficiently. The goal is to position your AI agent as an industry leader, making it the go-to solution for businesses and professionals looking to save time, reduce costs, and boost productivity. Building an AI agent from scratch might seem complex, but by following the step-by-step framework we covered, finding a profitable AI idea, planning, building, deploying, and monetizing, you now have a clear roadmap to success. AI automation is reshaping industries, and those who take action today will be at the forefront of this digital revolution. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or content creator, leveraging AI tools can open doors to financial freedom and limitless opportunities. Now it's time to take action. Start building your AI agent, experiment with automation, and bring your ideas to life. To help you get started, download the free AI Business Checklist, which provides essential insights, tools, and strategies to turn your AI project into a profitable venture. Don't just watch. Step into the AI-driven future and secure your place in this fast-growing industry.